Hi, thanks for watching my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how difficult it is to install a Sargent's custom seat onto your motorcycle. The motorcycle I'll be using is going to be a 2007 Ducati 800 SS. First thing you need to do is put the key in the lock, turn the key, and remove the old seat from the motorcycle. Next, we're going to take our Sargent seat box that was just delivered to you from FedEx, and we're going to carefully cut the tape. Do not cut the tape too deeply. You do not want to risk running a knife through your brand new Sargent seat and destroying the quality work that they do. So you'll see that your seat is packed very nicely in the box. So take all that packing out, and then you'll see your new seat. Take your new seat out of the box. Discard your box. Throw away your instructions. Nobody reads those. Rip the bag open. Examine the hat that they give you. So I have a half dozen of these hats laying around the house at this point. Now we open up the seat, examine it for any defects. It's a Sargent seat, so you already know there's no defects. And now we have to fight to get it on the bike. So here it goes. We're going to have to force this seat onto the bike. It's taking a lot of effort right now for me to put this seat on the bike. I'm forcing it. It's everything I got. Look at that. The seat fit right into place, clipped right into place. It's a beautiful seat right there. Thanks to Sargent for making such a quality product. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to continue to buy your seats from you.